In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a simple website with Strikingly. By the end, you'll have a clean, functional site online with minimal effort, even if it's your first time building one. Start by heading to the Strikingly website and clicking Sign Up. You can register with your email or use a Google or Facebook account if that's more convenient. Once you're in, you'll be redirected straight to the website builder so you can begin right away. Next, choose how you want to start. The quickest path is to pick a template. Browse categories like business, personal, store, or portfolio and select a design that matches your goal. Templates give you a solid structure and professional styling from the beginning. If you want total control, you can start from scratch with a blank site, but expect to invest more time arranging sections and styling. Give your website a name and click Create. Don't stress too much here. You can change the site name later. Aim for something short, memorable, and relevant to what your site offers. Now it's time to edit content using the left side editor. Click any text on the page and type your own copy. Keep headlines concise and make paragraphs easy to scan. To change images, click an image and choose Replace. Upload your photos or select from the available stock library. Use high-quality images that are optimized for web so your pages load quickly. Add or remove sections to match your needs. Click Add Section and choose from options like Banner, About, Services, Gallery, Contact, or Testimonials. Keep only what supports your message and drag sections to reorder them into a logical flow. Remove placeholders you don't plan to use. Customize the design under styles. Choose a color palette, font style, and button style that fit your brand. Aim for good contrast for readability, limit yourself to one or two fonts, and keep colors consistent across sections. Enhance your site with optional features. Add a contact form for inquiries, buttons and links for clear calls to action, social media icons to connect your profiles, a simple online store if you're selling, and a newsletter sign up to grow your audience. Keep forms short and test every link. Set your domain next. On the free plan, your address will be yoursite.strikingly.com. With a paid plan, you can connect a custom domain and remove branding. Pick a short, memorable domain. Strikingly will guide you through the connection. Preview your site and check both desktop and mobile views. Strikingly sites are mobile responsive by default, but it's smart to scan for spacing, typos, and broken links. When everything looks right, click Publish. Your website goes live instantly, and you can return to the editor anytime to update content as your needs evolve.